Hey guys, I got a few mystery boxes on Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. So there was a good sale going on. This one is like $33 now, and this one $39. So all of them $5 off. I got a few more other ones. So first one, Hallowed Grails. They said here 10 graded from any era, or 7+ graded vintage hollow. That's cool. So all we get is just one graded, and as you can see there is a listing would be from here. Let's open it and see what we get. It cost about $10 to $15 to grade the card cheapest. Okay. Ooh, nice grading company. Is there scotch? Nope. Okay, let's see. Ooh, graded 10, but it is Argon V. At least we got a really good grading company. That's nice. We lost about $20 right here, or like $15 at least. At least it's a 10. We'll take that. Okay, let's see what we get in this one. It says 1 graded card plus booster box. It's nice that they give us booster box. At least there's a chance to hit something big. Okay, first of all, Scarlet and Violet. That's like $3. And we got CGC 8.5. This is a 50 cents V. So this would be like, I don't know, probably about $10 card. So we'll lose $20 right here almost. Yeah, we didn't hit anything big. I think they promise you once every so many packs it will be a big hit, but I know the odds of that. Okay. Ooh, but at least we got a good hit. What's behind there? Nothing. And that's where they hide sometimes. Okay, that's a good hit. That's a way better card than this one. Might be even more expensive. So $10 hit right here plus shipping. The value was actually at some point $20. So if I wanna buy this mystery graded cards, at least I will try to look for with the graded pack. We still lost about, I don't know, $10, but still it was a lot of fun hitting that. Next I got it here, couple of mystery packs for $41 or $42 minus 20% off right now. Let's see what we'll get. 3-factor sealed booster packs, so we have more guarantees on hitting something cool. I'll look for graded cards seeded 1 in 20 boxes plus randomly inserted vintage packs. That's cool. Okay, so randomly inserted could be 1 in a million, right? 1 in 1,000. Okay, what we'll get? Okay, this is our pack lineup. Ooh, Vivid Voltage, some vintage packs, Pokemon Go, and Crown Zenith. Wow, that's a good card lineup. No way. Ah, I thought it was the. Whoa, that's good. So this one was at least like $18 card. That is insane. We put it in this nice protective sleeve. Wow, might be a hit. Let me double check the value of this card. This actually right here a big hit. So we hit something big on this one, and it's a $13 card by itself. And this is right here, I don't know. And this right here another $10, so $23. So they profiting right here a little bit, maybe $10. But we did get a vintage pack. Will we hit anything good? Again, I would say we didn't lose as much money, but they still have pretty good premium right here. I'm just surprised that they give us at least something like somewhat decent. No hit on this pack, and this one is from 2020, so 3-year-old pack right here. Pokemon Go. Let's just go right into it. Pikachu. Oh, Pikachu Hala. We'll take that, it's cool. And Crown Zenith. Okay, let's get some big so we in profit, because right now all we got is one Charizard VMAX. So let's put 3 from the back. Oh, nice, another hit. So it helps to hit something. So maybe another 50 cents to $1 right here. We'll take that, but again, they're still profiting like at least $10. I'm just surprised they didn't want to profit even more, because that's what this mystery box is known for sometimes. So this might be like a better one. Will we hit something good? Okay, I'm gonna pull out the box. Lost Origin. Ooh, celebration 25th anniversary. There's some nice puck lineup. And Astar Radiance, I like how different they are. Graded, not graded. Charizard VMAX, not as good. I think this one is only like 50-cent card. So they are profiting a lot more on this pack. Whoa. Yeah, I just lost a ton of money on this pack. That's just how it goes. Even the hits, they profiting a lot. Will we make some money back from these packs? Yeah, this mystery packs don't make any sense. I guess the only way to like profit a little bit from this stuff is to hit the graded card, but it's like 1 in 20, so if I get 20 cards, I'll be losing. Wow, these ones are all hollow, and look at this one. Whoa, it's cool. I have no idea what they're worth. Just cool. I have to build up the set for those. Nope, just a reverse Eevee and one more pack. Yeah, I'm not even disappointed, because I was kind of expected to lose value from these mystery boxes. Okay, let's see. Ooh, Radiant, and nothing behind there. I thought there'd be something behind there. Yeah. Ooh, I don't know, guys. Don't buy mystery boxes, because you're gonna end up with this kind of hits and lost value. It's like almost easier to just buy one of those cards and 3 packs. You'd save like 10 to 15, $20. Daylight Daybreak. So mystery box, we would get 1 graded card, 1 vintage, and 1 pack. So just like that, we hit on one of them really big. I mean, I would say we paid 24, we hit like about $35 in them. So we get 3 packs in here. Dark Light booster pack. This is Dark Light relic pack, and a graded card in here. So 3rd time, will we hit again, or those hits are pretty rare? Just so that way we know, once and for all. Okay, English. Ooh, nice. 1995, 2000. Okay, double star right here. This card is nice quality. Played a little bit, have some rough corners, but I do like it how they pack it. Okay, let's see what kind of pack we got. Scarlet and Violet. Will we hit some big, like Charizard or some, whatever is the biggest in Scarlet and Violet? Okay, there goes nothing. Reverse, nothing. Didn't get lucky with that, but that's about $3 swallow in that. And let's see what we will get here. The graders looks like going to stay consistent. Oh no, we got a trainer. Oh, 10, 20, 20. I don't even know why would we even want to grade that. So everything will be in these sleeves, which makes it really nice and professional. Let's go with the vintage. They call it relic. It's so satisfying and packaged so well. Oh wow. Okay, what year it is? 95, 2000. That is cool and such a good quality. Look at it. It has double star over here. Wow, that is a good. Little bit played for sure. So it's probably like, I don't know, 7, 6. great value, but it's still a good card. Comes with the protective sleeves and everything. Okay, what about this? What kind of booster pack we'll get? I love this. Ooh, Fusion Strike. Nice, we got that here. Snorlax. First card. Okay. Okay, behind it, nothing. So no heat this time. That's okay. And let's see what's inside. The graded card. Okay, the grades on this one's kind of like on the bottom. Okay, so we have like a regular holo. Looks like Japanese. It's a 10, but it is a regular holo, so probably nothing epic. This is 2020. I mean, I don't know. Let's scan it real quick. Graded 10 is $11, so nothing epic over here. Dark Knight Midnight Box Mystery Box. So let's see what we're going to get. One custom 50 card Pokemon pack. Okay, I guess they just seeded with bunch of stuff. I'm not expecting much over there. One vintage wizard or the cost of the era card. One professionally graded card. Anyways, let's see what we're going to find in there. Looks like a professional made boxes, kind of like that. Okay. Okay, this is going to be graded card in there. Let's see what's in the bulk. Okay, I'll take bulk. That's fine. Looks like there's gonna be a whole bunch of newer bulk. Super fast. We're gonna fly to it. I do see some holos in there, but just in case. Oh, there's energies a little bit, and there's holos. Yeah, they're not sketched up or anything. I'll take holo. Cool, and a code card. Okay, Dark Knight Relic Pack. Let's see what's in here. It's number 2. Ooh, upside down, smart. Oh, sweet. This is awesome, 1995. And yeah, that's a good card. I like that. Okay, I'll take that. And the graded card, that's the most value is going to be in this one. Okay. Interesting grading company right here. Okay. Ooh, sweet. On eBay. Okay. Whoa. No way. Graded now, $100. Did we just got a really nice hit? $39. No way. Awesome. TCG player, if it'll come up. Check this out. This is $90 card. Wow. Yeah, 95 to 2001. That was a hit. I honestly don't even care about that it's a grade 8 from some random grader. Probably will grade it. I'm so happy right now. I cannot believe it. Only $25 mystery pack. Definitely will buy this mystery box again. Yeah, that was a big hit right here.